Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and let me show you how to enable the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's enable the upper bar, and here you can find and select the battery saver. So just by clicking the battery saver, you can enable the battery saver mode, and you can see that you can also disable the battery saver in the same way. So now if you would like to find the battery saver settings, it's good to open the settings icon right here, then find and select the battery, and here you've got some battery information. And as you can see from the following window, you can also enable the power saving. So to help improve the battery life, power saving reduces your device's performance and limits vibrations, location services, and most background data. Let me tap OK, and you can also tap on power saving, and for example you can select the battery level when the power saving will be enabled, for example when you have the 15% of the battery, or you can make it bigger or make it smaller. So that's it. You can also disable the automatically turning on the power saving if you would like to. Only the following options depends on you. So that's it, everything went well. And what's also really interesting, you can use the extreme power saving mode in some extreme situation to use your device longer. Let me show you. Let's enable this mode, tap OK, and this is the most restrictful power saving mode, so only a few apps are enabled, and as you can see this mode has a lot of restrictions. Let me tap exit, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.